Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're talking about the best way to farm silver in Albion Online. And it's by combining a solo group or group dungeons. So you can do solo dungeons or group dungeons. Basically, open world mob farming, gathering dungeons, and reward valuable loot, silver bags, and gear that you can sell on marketplace. While open world mob drops silver directly, you can also reward rare items if you're playing with a group. Group dungeons are one of the fastest ways you can earn large amounts of silver and fame at the same time. So gathering ore resources is also a great way because resources like ore, wood, fiberstone, and it hides is another reliable to make silver, especially in higher tier zones where resources are valuable. You can also earn extra silver by participating in faction warfare. So by that you can just defeat world bosses, complete corrupted dungeons, and selling crafted items or rare loot on the marketplace by focusing high value activities, upgrading your gathering tools, and choose the right zones. You can build a steady income and farm silver much faster. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.